Struggling to spot real trends before everyone else jumps in? The Insta Trend strategy gives you a simple way to catch strong market moves early, no guessing. This strategy uses three powerful tools: a trend direction indicator, moving averages, and price action confirmation. It's all about aligning trend direction with clean entries. Buy setup. The trend direction indicator turns green, trend is up. Price is above the key moving average, confirming bullish bias. A higher low in price structure forms, showing strength. Enter buy at the next candle after confirmation. Sell setup. The trend direction indicator turns red, trend is down. Price is below the key moving average, confirming bearish bias. A lower high in price structure forms, showing weakness. Enter sell at the next candle after confirmation. This keeps your trades in the direction of the trend, not against it. Always set your stop loss just beyond the recent swing high-low. It gives your trade room to breathe while protecting your capital. And avoid trading during high-impact news releases. Get aligned with the market trend and stop guessing your entries. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free Insta Trend indicators and templates and trade with confidence.